Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Amazon gift card in Fampay. So if you want to use your Amazon gift card in Fampay, unfortunately you can't directly use the gift card on Fampay as it's two different platforms and they are not integrated. So what you can do, I have a workaround here, is you can simply transfer those balance that you have on your Amazon gift card to your Fampay through your bank account. So to do that, what you have to do is simply open up your Amazon. So open up your Amazon account. So once you have opened up your Amazon, log into your account, hit on the Amazon Pay option, and then add your gift card to your Amazon Pay so that we can have the balance on your Amazon Pay. Simply hit on gift card and then select add a gift card, and then all you have to do now is simply add in your gift card details, hit on add gift card to balance, and then you'll have your balance on Amazon Pay. So now the balance is on Amazon Pay. You can simply send it to your bank account. So click on the send money option and then click on bank transfer and then send it to your bank account. So once you have sent the balance to your bank account, so you have the funds in your bank account, now you're all good to use these funds in your bank account on Fampay. So if you open up Fampay and then when you make any transactions, you can simply use the funds from your bank account that you just transferred to. So this is how you can transfer or use gift card on Fampay, as there's no direct ways where you can plug in and use your card on Fampay. So I hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.